Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This video today is going to be showing you how to get free CP in Call of Duty Mobile. This is working in 2026, guys. You can actually get 10,000 free COD points. This does not only work for COD Mobile, this actually works for Warzone, Black Ops, all of the games, Modern Warfare. I forget which games we're on, to be honest. I've stopped playing Call of Duty recently. But anyway, 10,000 CP costs around $100 US, and this actually uses a working redeem code, so you can enter it into the CODM redemption center. Alternatively, you can just enter it into your game on whatever console you play on. So if you play Warzone on PlayStation 5, you can enter it into there, and it is going to supply you with 10,000 COD points. So basically, guys, if you play on mobile, you can enter it, enter in your user ID, enter in the redeem code that I'm going to show you, and it is going to supply you with 10,000 free CP. Now, before I show you it, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for updated methods to get free COD points. So you can see I'm using an iPhone here. You can do this on Android as well. Head on over to this website on your mobile internet, www.crashcoupons.com. So it is very important you type it correctly, just like this, Crash Coupons. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to a codes website. They have hundreds and hundreds of game codes on here. It is an absolutely awesome website. So you're definitely going to want to use the search bar at the top to find the Call of Duty points code. So you type in Call of Duty or CODM, and it should pop up in the search bar here. So just use this title here to find it, guys. So I typed in CODM and it brought it up. So scroll down, and on this page they have a code for 10,000 free COD points. So yeah, this is the code that I'm focusing on. They do have a skins code as well, but this one is of course the CP code. So click on get code, and as you can see, this is confirming your choice. This is a very highly rated, verified working code, and these are really easy to get, and it works in 2026 as well, guys. This is definitely the fastest and best method to get free COD points in 2026. So what this is going to do, this is going to find you a valid code. Now, I did this earlier, and it does limit one code per user. So if this is your first time, you do need to unlock your code. You can see these are limited. There's 400 plus codes. So to get your personal Call of Duty points code, you need to click on this button, and it's going to bring you to this screen here, which tells you what to do. Now, don't panic. It is pretty easy, guys, to unlock your code. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Crash Coupons. So essentially, guys, as you can see, I've got a list of tasks on this page. They're all completely free, and I need to complete 2 of them to unlock my code. So these are basically mobile apps and stuff. There's like free surveys as well, which are really easy. As an example, this one is a survey where you just have to answer some questions and input your email. I'll just quickly show you, but yeah, it's really easy. Then you just input your correct email. Very important you put in valid info, because it does verify you are not a robot. But anyway, complete 2 of these, and it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. So where are we? There we go. And if you do everything correctly, basically your code will be revealed here. The Call of Duty mobile code, and you can enter it into the redemption center where I showed you. You just enter it in there, and that is going to get you your 10,000 free CP in CODM. Let me close some of these tabs here. But anyway, guys, that is it really. You just got to go to Crash Coupons, and when you reach this website, search for the Call of Duty mobile codes page here. Like I said, these do also work on Warzone as well. So yeah, just you can use this code on whatever game you play. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.